We're going to learn some two-step equations today. Who's excited? Yay! All right. Here we go. So I want you guys to write this on your paper right here. Number one, write this down. We got 17 equals 8x minus 7. Go ahead and get a line going down here, right? Some people call that the wall. Some people just call it a line. We want to get this x by itself. I know it's an easy problem. It's going to get harder, right? Okay, so look, we're trying to get this x by itself. Maybe we want it to be a loner like Mr. H, right? No friends, we want it alone. Well, my mom, she likes me now, so I do have one friend, right? Okay, so let's take this negative 7, right? If we want this x by itself, let's add it to the other side. You guys got me? What we do to one side, we always do to the what?
Other.
Okay, let's do it. I know this is easy for you. Let's add 7 to both sides. This cancels out, right? 17 plus 7 is what?
24.
24. Keep your work neat. We got 24 equals 8x. Yeah, we know the answer is 3. 8 times 3 is 24. But TJ, let's show our work, right? Divide by what? We got 8 right there, right? We're going to do it to both sides. 24 divided by 8 is 3. We're going to box it nice and neat, right? You have a 100-point test. Let's check it. We'll substitute it back in. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 minus 7 is 17. Put your thumb up if it's easy. Of course, everyone's thumbs up. That's number 1, right? Here we go. I want you guys to put a number 2 on your paper. Get it set up. Here we go. Number 2. Uh-oh, we got 2 caps on this pen. This is not good here. On both sides. All right, here we go. Let's try this. We have number 2. We got x over 2. Division, right? Minus 5. We have equals 3. Who wants to tell me the first thing we're going to do to solve this problem? I need first step. Mackenzie, talk to me.
Add 5.
You want to add 5? Is she right? Can someone tell me a different way to do it? You don't always have to do problems one way. Mazzola.
Wall.
What?
The wall thing.
Oh, you want to put a wall? Okay. I was asking like what the next step is. Okay, technically you're right. Gordillo.
The opposite?
Like here?
Yeah.
Okay, you can. I was like, another way to start this problem.
The
Yeah.
reciprocal.
Reciprocal of what?
X over 2.
Well, so you tell me you want to put a 1 here?
No.
Because you're talking about a reciprocal and you were on the right track, but I wasn't quite following you.
2 over 1.
Okay, do you guys hear what she said? Eyeballs right over here. The reciprocal of 1/2 is 2 over 1. Or the opposite of division is multiplication. So you can go like this, watch me. We can multiply this side by 2. What you do to one side, do to the other right here. I'm not saying this is the best way. I'm just showing you there's another way to do it. Watch how we come up with the answer. This is 6 over here, right? Okay, drop your equal to sign. What happens to these 2's?
Cancel out.
They cancel out, right? So we got x minus 5 equals 6. If you add 5 to both sides, what are you going to get? X equals what?
11.
Now, there is a mistake here. Who can see it? Who can see the mistake on this problem? Because our answer is not 11. This is good. We see, Alicia, yeah.
You didn't follow the steps. Wait, I don't know.
If you can see the step, Jesse, yeah.
You didn't add 5 to 3.
Close. But, guys, oh, Southworth.
Were you supposed to add 5 before you did the reciprocal?
Close. Now look, if you multiply this side by 2, you have to do it to this side. So look, what happened? We have to multiply this whole side by 2. Therefore, I have to multiply this 2 by what? 5. This is going to change to a what? Negative 10. Therefore, if we add 10 to both sides, what do you think the answer is?
16.
Okay, put 16 on your paper for right now, right? Box it. We always box our answers. So you got to do it to both sides. How do you know if that's right? What's 16 divided by 2? 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. Now, is that the best way to solve this problem?
No.
I mean, what is the best way? Let's go back. What I want you guys to do is rewrite this problem right next to it or below it. Like the other one was part A, right? And then we're going to write it again and do it a different way. You guys follow me? So I'm going to clean up my problem here. I'm going to clean it up just a little bit, right? Good job, cameraman. Stick with me. Don't zoom in too close. We don't want to scare anyone. You know what I mean? All right. Here we go. Let's try this again. This is 2b. Let's try it the other way that I think someone in the back corner, a couple geniuses back there. Let's go ahead and add 5 to both sides on this one, right? So 3 plus 5 is 8, right? Bring this down. We got x divided by 2. What's the opposite or the inverse of division? Multiplication. So this is 2. This is 2. Cancel. Did we still get the same answer?
Yes.
What way is easier?
That one.
This one's maybe a little simpler. Are they both right?
Yes.
They are. I'm going to erase mine. Someone's about to erase their problem. Don't erase it. Put a number 3. Time flies when you're doing math. Here we go. Put a number 3 on your paper, right? We're going to start changing colors just a little bit. Let's get a little bit harder here. Number 3 on your paper. Let's put a little fraction in here while we're talking fractions. We got 2x over 3. Nice and neat. Give yourself some space, right? We got minus 8 equals negative 4. Mazzola will put the wall in there just for you, right? Just to keep ourselves organized. We could multiply both sides by 3 over 2, the reciprocal, right? But we just found out that was a lot of work. So let's make our life easier and add what to both sides here? 8. Do it to both sides, right? Negative 4 plus 8 over here is 4, right? Bring down the 2/3 x. And we know next step is what? Who can help me out? Looking for some hands. Someone save me. Yes, back, Fatima.
Reciprocal.
Which is?
2/3 or 3/2.
3/2. Good save. Do it to both sides right here. Now, if you take a fraction, you multiply it by the reciprocal. It's 1 every time. Okay, so this is x equals. Let's do some work right here. For all those math teachers out there that don't like cross reducing, I apologize. I like it a little bit better because it makes things a little easier. But don't do this when we have proportions. Okay, cross reduce. Should we do it? I'm nervous. We might scare someone. We won't do it. No, we will. 2 goes into 4 twice. It goes in itself once. What's the answer? 6.
I got the
You can check it. 2/3 times 6 minus 8 equals negative 4. Thumbs up if that's easy for you. Thumbs to the side if it's kind of tricky. Thumbs down if you don't know how to do it at all. It's okay. We're learning. Next one. Put a number 4 on your paper. Cameraman, we good?
Yep.
He's good. 4. Let's get a little bit harder here. I'm kind of tired of these easy ones. Let's try this one right here. We got negative 15
It's in my mouth.
equals x minus 12 over 2. This is number 4. Okay, 4. Okay, now look at this problem right here. Do you guys see it? We're trying to get the x by itself. Do you see it? Who can tell me first step on this problem? Who's got first step to get us going? What are we going to do? We need some other hands in here. I'm not teaching 2 people. McClure, yeah.
We have to divide 12 by 2.
Close, but no. I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying, but not quite. Matthew. Did you say add 12 to both sides? Not quite. I see what you're saying. That 2, look at the 2. Alicia. Divide the negative 12 by what? Close. Mackenzie. Multiply each side by 2. This is division. We want to get rid of this to get this by itself. So, multiply both sides by 2. Here we go. We're going to do it to this side. What we do to one side, we have to do to the other, right? What happens to the 2's on the right side? Shh. They're gone. 2 times negative 15, negative 30 equals what? X minus 12. Add what to both sides?
12.
Okay. What's negative 30 plus 12? Moment of silence. Negative 18 equals X.
Oh, we're doing it.
All right. X equals negative 18. Negative 18 equals X is the same thing. You're good. We're going to try one on our own. Who's with me?
No. Yeah.
I got one person. Yes. All right, here we go. Number 5, on our own. There's going to be a little downtime in the video, so, just kind of watch if you're watching here. Number 5. Here we go. Number 5. Let's try this one on our own. We got x plus 8 over 5 equals, one second, I forgot what it equals. -3, period 5 on December 18, 2013.
We're awesome.
We'll solve this problem right now. Go.
We will not.
It's just focusing.
Solve it.
Can you dance while we wait?
Why don't you just steal my idea?
Bloopers.
American Idol.
Middle school at its finest. Don't want a little technology, they got a little distracted. It's okay. Eyes on papers, eyes on papers.
Keeps focusing out.
Do something to entertain them.
Looking for an answer on your paper. If you're done, put your pencil down. Don't blurt it out. You don't need to raise your hand though. It's not a speed contest. Some people work slower. Believe in yourself that you can do it. Picture yourself in 10 years having a good job using math every day. Who's got the answer? Chavez, what do you got? This is called think time.
You have to multiply the 5.
Oh, he's gonna explain it. I like this. He didn't just give me. So you wanted to multiply by what, Chavez?
By 5, you have to get to the 8 and 3, -3.
So was this what you were saying? Okay. Who did that right there? Okay, let's cancel this out right here. We got x plus 8 equals -15. Subtract what? 8. I want to call on this person for an answer. Be ready. No hands right now. Put your hands. Random calling right here. Right now. I need an answer from Angelo. Answer. What do you got?
3.
No, negative.
-23.
Did he say -23?
Yeah.
Or did he say 3?
23.
-23 is the correct answer. X equals. Put your hand up if you got that. Uh-oh, someone just put it up and they didn't get it. Who was that? Mazzola.
Wait, what?
Just kidding. Okay, here we go. Put a number 6 on your paper. Alright, number 6. We're going to try a decimal. All calculators are put away. Phones away. Here we go. Let's try a decimal one. Here we go. This is 6, right? Okay, here we go. Eyeballs are on the whiteboard. Here we go. -6.2x. -6.2x. Right? -10 equals -28.6. Okay. Start it. We're going to just see what you can do in like 45 seconds. We don't want too much downtime. This would be a good time for some music. I'll just stand here. Keep going. Add what to both sides here to start it. Go ahead. Watch out for those calculators. What is -28.6 plus 10?
38.6.
What?
Thank you for participating. I appreciate that. That was great.
Oh, I got that wrong.
Thank you, Angelo, for showing us a mistake. That was designed on purpose to see if we weren't there with our integers. Thank you, Angelo. Same sign added keeps, different sign subtract. I'm not going to sing it for you. This is -18.6 equals -6.2x. We should actually already have our answer, technically speaking. Divide both sides by what?
Negative something.
We already know this is going to be a positive or negative answer.
Positive.
Two negatives, when you divide, it's a positive. When in doubt, go to in and out, right? Here we go. 18.6. This pen is not good. I need to discard it. Okay, now we're going to take 18.6 and divide it by 6.2.
3.3.
Who thinks the answer is 3.3? Look at these people. Tell them right now they are close, but they are not right.
It's negative.
Take this decimal, slide it to the right, slide it upstairs to the roof. 62 goes into 186 how many times?
3.
That's it.
3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 6 is 18. All at once, what's the answer?
3.
A little louder.
3.
Alright, thank you. Okay,
Kill
did
switch.
you hit the kill switch?